Greetings and welcome back again to the news channel, the People's Channel. Manchester farmer get life for murder of teen son and two others. Stay tuned for the full story. Blessings to all subscribers and viewers. And if you're here for the first time, you can support the channel by like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. A Manchester farmer who brutally take out a mother and her two sons, including his own child, was today sentenced to 3 life sentences in the Home Circuit Court. Mark Henry, 56, was ordered to serve 49 years and 6 months in prison before being eligible for parole. The victims, Nadine Cardis and her 11-year-old son, Roshan Ellis, and 16-year-old Jovan Thomas, were taken out with wounds to their upper body, neck area. Cardis and Thomas also had multiple injuries to their bodies. The court was told that Thomas is the child of Cardis and Henry, who was married. The bodies of the deceased were found outside their home in Ramble, Manchester on April 29, 2014. Henry was last month convicted of 3 counts of murder following a trial in the Manchester Circuit Court. However, he was sentenced today in the Home Circuit Court by Justice Lana Shelley Williams. The judge sentenced Henry to 3 life sentences for each count of dropout. He was also ordered to serve 49 years and 6 months in prison on each count, with the sentences running concurrently. Henry has maintained his innocence despite his conviction, and the court was further told by a probation officer that he had no remorse. However, the father of 8, who lost his wife and son while in custody, appeared sad during the sentencing hearing. Now, people, the family of these victims can feel relief. You know, it's not going to bring back them loved ones, but at least we know, say, he will be in prison for him rest him life. Now, we know that him not going to come back a road, people, because him at 56 now, and him get 49 years before being eligible for parole. So if you do the maths, people, him will pass in bedtime. You know what I'm saying? Now, when I see the judge hand down this sentence to this bittergal art man, it tells me something that the other judges them can do better when they lay down sentences to these type of individual who want to go around and take out people's life as them think. You know what I'm saying? And then come to the court and get a handshake. This was a well done sentence by this judge. You know what I'm saying? Now, as we say, people, it's not going to bring back the family members. You know what I'm saying? But at least them can feel better for know, say, this bitter guy art man, him never gonna see back road again. Please leave your comments down below and tell me what you think. One aim, one God, one destiny. Walk good, talk good, live good. Blessings.